Okay folks, here we are with the Poulan 4900 CounterVibe, and let's see, what have I done? I checked out the cylinder and I repaired the recoil. I replaced the rope on the recoil, and I put a carb kit in it, and I did a governor delete on the carburetor, because this has a governed carburetor. Unlike my 4200s, which do not have a governor, my 5200 does. This one has the same carburetor as the Poulan 5200, and let's see, it's a HS176A, I think. I'll put some text up on the screen when I edit the video. And so I put some gas in it, and the tank is leaking somewhere. I don't know where, so I'm gonna have to figure out where that is, but I wanted to see if I could get it to start. I replaced the fuel line, and I want to see if I can get this thing to start. So I'm gonna put the choke on and put the start switch on, and hopefully it'll pull fuel. Well, let's keep going here. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna take off this top cover so I can see what's going on. See if it's pulling any fuel. Yeah, fuel line is getting fuel in it. Here we go. All right, well, it's running. Got to do a few things. The choke lever came out, and you saw me have to put that screw back in here. I forgot to tighten that one. I didn't have my my ball end Allen wrench, so I didn't get that one tight when I was putting the recoil back on. But hey, it runs, and sounds pretty good to me. I don't know if you heard my wife. She just tried to yell over the top of the saw and said it's dinner time. So I'm gonna go eat dinner, and you know, hopefully I'll be able to find where that fuel leak is, and we'll be able to get this thing out and try to cut with it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and hopefully this spring and summer we'll be able to get some more videos of some of the big Poulan CounterVibes. All right, have a good one.